Imagine holding a small coin in your hand. A coin so ordinary, you might ignore it every day. But what if I told you that same coin could be worth over $52 million? Yes, today we are talking about the 1977 Malaysia 10 sen coin, a coin that has shocked collectors worldwide. Make sure you watch till the end because you might already have one. The 10 sen coin from Malaysia, minted in 1977, is part of the second series of Malaysian coins. This coin was issued after Malaysia gained independence and started producing its own unique currency design. At first glance, it looks like a simple everyday coin, but collectors know the truth: not all coins are equally. Let's take a closer look at the design. Front obverse. You'll see the portrait of Tunku Abdul Rahman, Malaysia's first king. This symbolizes unity and national pride. Back reverse. The denomination 10 sen, along with a traditional Malaysian design pattern. Material. Usually struck in copper nickel. Shape and size. Round, lightweight and simple, but powerful in value. Now here's the big question. Why would a coin like this be worth $52,720,000? There are three major reasons. 1. Rare mint errors. Some 1977 coins were struck with mistakes like double stamping, off-center designs, missing details. These errors make coins extremely rare. 2. Limited high-grade coins. Coins in perfect condition, MS67 or higher, are incredibly rare. Most coins were used in daily life, but untouched coins, very few exist. 3. Collector demand. Serious collectors are always searching for unique coins, historical pieces, error coins. When demand is high and supply is low, prices explode. Now let's help you find out if your coin is valuable. Check these things carefully. Look for unusual marks or errors. Check if the design is off-center. Inspect the coin edges. Look for shine and condition. Compare with verified rare examples. If your coin looks different, you might be holding something very special. Not every 1977 10 sen coin is worth millions. The $52,720,000 value applies only to extremely rare and unique versions, especially those with errors or perfect condition. So don't rush, inspect carefully. If you think your coin is rare, you can sell it on heritage auctions, local coin dealers, online collector groups. Always get your coin professionally graded before selling. So do you have this rare coin? Check your collection right now, and who knows, you might be sitting on a hidden fortune. Like this video. Subscribe to Old Coin Vault. And comment below, "I found one, got it." Here is a long, professional voiceover script, slow-paced, emotional, perfect for 10+ minutes narration for your video. You can directly use this for recording. Coin and thought it was just ordinary. Something you might ignore. Something you might even throw away without a second thought. But what if that tiny coin, sitting quietly in your pocket, is actually worth a life-changing fortune? Today, we are diving into the incredible story of the 1977 Malaysia 10 sen coin. A coin that has captured the attention of collectors across the world. And in some rare cases, this simple coin has been valued at an unbelievable $52 million. Yes, you heard that right. So stay with me till the end, because you might already own one without even knowing it. Pause. Let's begin this fascinating journey. First, let's understand what this coin really is. The 10 sen coin, minted in the year 1977, comes from Malaysia, a country known for its rich culture and history. This coin was part of Malaysia's second series of currency, introduced after the nation established its own identity following independence. At that time, millions of these coins were produced and used in everyday transactions. People used them to buy food, pay for transport, and carry out daily life. To most people, it was just another coin. But today, things have changed. Pause. Now let's take a closer look at its design. On the front side of the coin, you will find the portrait of Malaysia's first king, Tunku Abdul Rahman. This image represents unity, leadership, and national pride. It's not just a design. It's a symbol of a country's identity. On the reverse side, you'll see the value clearly written, 10 sen. along with a beautiful traditional Malaysian pattern. That reflects the country's artistic heritage. The coin itself is round, simple, and elegant, made primarily from copper nickel. It was built to last through years of circulation. But here's the interesting part. Not all coins are created equal. Pause. So what makes this coin so valuable? Why would collectors pay millions for something so small? There are a few powerful reasons behind this. First, minting errors. Sometimes during the production process, mistakes happen, and these mistakes create rarity. For example, a coin might be struck twice, creating a double image. Or the design might be slightly off-center. Some coins might even have missing details. To an average person, this might look like damage. But to a collector, this is treasure. Because these errors are extremely rare. And no two error coins are exactly the same. Most coins from 1977 were used daily. They passed through thousands of hands, got scratched, worn out, and damaged. But a few coins somehow survived in perfect condition. No scratches, no wear. Almost like they were never used. These are called mint condition coins. And collectors are willing to pay huge amounts for coins that look brand new, even after decades. Third, demand. Coin collecting is not just a hobby. It's a global passion. There are collectors all over the world, searching for rare and unique coins. And when multiple collectors want the same rare coin, the price rises dramatically. That's how a simple 10-cent coin can reach unbelievable values. Pause. Now the big question is, how can you check if your coin is valuable? Let me guide you. Take your coin and look at it carefully. Start with the design. Does anything look unusual? Is the print off-center? Are there any double images? Next, check the edges. Are they smooth, or do they have something different? Now look at the surface. Does it shine like new? Or is it worn out? Even the smallest detail can make a huge difference. If your coin looks unique, do not ignore it. You might be holding something very special. Pause. But remember, not every 1977 10-cent coin is worth millions. The high value, like $52 million, is only for extremely rare cases. Coins with special errors, or coins in perfect condition. So always verify carefully. If you believe your coin might be valuable, here are what you should do next. You can show it to a professional coin expert, or send it to a grading service, where they examine the coin and give it an official rating. This increases trust and helps you get the best price. You can also sell your coin on online platforms, like auctions, collector websites, or through trusted dealers. But never rush. A rare coin deserves patience. Just imagine, a small coin sitting quietly in your home could change your life forever. That's the beauty of coin collecting. History, value, and mystery, all hidden in something so small. Outro tone uplifting. So now it's your turn. Go and check your coins. Look carefully, because you never know. Your next discovery might be worth millions. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe to Old Coin Vault, and share this with your friends and family. And don't forget to comment below. Found one if you discover this coin. Until next time, keep searching, keep collecting, and keep discovering hidden treasures. See you in the next treasure hunt.